Your lead volume, the team, and the data. Everything is growing rapidly. But the budget to route all that data to the right person at the right time is still not approved. I get it. It's a nightmare to find just the right solution that not only fits the budget but is also easy to adopt and show ROI to your leadership. What you really need in this situation is expert advice on how to convince your boss and choose the right routing solution built right inside Salesforce. Well, you're in the right place. Keep watching and I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk, and see you at Cyntexa. Well, if you have been here before, then you would know that this is a different introduction. Because as a CEO, which is a leadership role, I think I can help you understand what we leaders really want when it comes to adopting new solutions. So let's dive right in. First of all, let's address the problem. You have the data, but not the quality nor the right routing logic. When that data needs to reach large teams quickly, even the smallest errors can create confusion. People stop trusting routing, decisions slow down, and Salesforce teams are left firefighting issues that shouldn't exist in the first place. If that sounds familiar to you, let's see what are the top 3 things that your boss expects you to address with the solution. Here, the most important thing is trustworthy data. As a leader, I would want my team to only process data they can trust. It is non-negotiable and only possible when the data stays inside Salesforce's security layer. When you're handling thousands of customer records, your routing solution must be 100% native, which means it should integrate with your CRM easily and never manipulate or send your customer data outside Salesforce. This translates to security, compliance, and governance, which is exactly what your leadership seeks. Next up comes the flexibility. Now, what does flexibility mean for you and your team? The ability to change up the rules when your team dynamics change, or maybe how easy the solution is to be adopted. For your boss, flexibility means whether the solution can be personalized to the organization's unique needs. So whatever you suggest, make sure it offers extreme flexibility. For the third and last point, here I have implementation. Yes, the ROI is important, but if your solution fails at the implementation stage, it is useless. Does the solution integrate and work with what I already have? Is it scalable? Will it make our lives easier? These are the questions that you should be ready to answer, and your boss might even increase the budget. So what is the solution that fits these 3 factors perfectly and is worth pitching to your leaders? My top pick here is Plauti Assign, and here's why. It is built directly into your CRM, it is scalable and made for enterprises, it offers extreme flexibility without draining your pockets. But these points will not be enough to convince them. You need a pitch. A strong one that conveys that the cost of not fixing the problem is always far bigger than the solution's cost. Every misled lead, delayed case, or manual reassignment can cause companies to lose up to 12% of their revenue. Show them how fast it can be implemented. Enterprise leaders love solutions that don't need any custom code or complex integrations. And Plauti Assign is easy to implement with your preferred customizations with no code. It will be up and running in days. Now let's think positively and assume your leadership has approved your suggestion. So how will you get started with Plauti Assign? Well, the steps are very simple. You just need to head to their website and contact them, or you can just install it from App Exchange and get started on a free 30-day trial. You can find the link in the description for the same. The best thing about the implementation process is that Plauti has a flexible pricing model, which means you will get a personalized pricing that is meant to fit your unique needs. The team at Plauti will guide you and train your teams to use it effectively. So there you have it, a solution that will make your life easier and your leadership will love. Hope this guide helps you to convince them. That was all from me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And subscribe to Salesforce Hall for more such videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.